Hello everyone, this is Harminder Suri from Toronto Drivers, your one-stop shop for all the driving solutions. Friends, today I'm going to tell you some interesting things about your driver's license that you probably didn't know. Did you know that the first letter in your driver's license number is the first letter of your last name? Yes, it is the first letter of your last name. And did you also know that your driver's license number has your date of birth? So your date of birth is this. If you look at this matches with actually these numbers. You see, 66 is the year, and 09 is the month, and 05 is the date. Now, this is for men. However, for women, you would see a different number. You may probably see 59. So whatever number you see here, let me show you. The month will be different for women. So what happens is they add 50 to your month of birth. So let's say your month of birth is September. So they will add 50 to this number to 9 and write that number here. So it will be 59. So if your month of birth is December, you would see a 62 here. So all you want to do is add 50 to your month of birth, and you would see that number there. So that is how they distinguish between a male license and a female license. Now, the next thing is the issue date. Well, the issue date is when your driver's license was issued. Now, this is interesting. This will not always be the date when your G1 license was issued. So let's say after getting your G1 license, you lost your license, or let's say you changed your address. So the issue date will be of the day when you changed information on your driver's license. So the issue date can be different from the day you took your G1 test. However, the expiry date is always the same on all the licenses. So if let's say you get a new license after you replace your license, the expiry date on the new license will be the same as it was on the previous license. So it is 5 years from the day you did your G1. That doesn't change, but the issue date keeps changing. Now the next thing is, well, this is DD means document discriminator. It's a unique number for every license. So REST, that means restrictions. Now I don't know what J means, but I've seen X's on a lot of licenses. So X means you need to wear glasses when you're driving. And sometimes you would see a W on a license, which is a rare case scenario. So which means that the person has some medical issues and they are still deciding on what they want to do, whether they want to suspend the license for some time, or they want to remove the W after a confirmation from the doctor. But most of the times you would see an X. Well, if you see something else on your driver's license, do let me know, post it in the comment box below, and I'll try to find out what that information means. Now there's another interesting thing on your driver's license which you would see at the bottom here, which says age 19, and it would be followed by a date. So what it means is that whatever date it is, that is the day you turned 19. Now this helps the people who want to check your license for your age. For example, if you go to a club or you go to a bar, they want to know whether you're 19, whether you're under 19 or over 19. So that helps them determine very quickly whether you're 19 as of date or not. So that is what it means. And the last thing about your driver's license is that your driver's license number and your date of birth are also mentioned on this sticker here along with your photo. So that's that about your driver's license. I hope you like this video, and if there's anything that you don't understand on your license, then please make sure you leave a comment in the comment box below, and I'll try to explain what that information means. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please make sure you hit the subscribe button and crush the like button if you liked this video, if you found this informative. Thank you again, and I'll see you again with more videos.